Hey guys, welcome to Jash Outline. This video is about how to edit your audio on the application called Audacity. So let's get started. The main important factor in a video is audio. Public cannot bear if the audio is not proper. Public can bear if the video is not proper, if it is recorded in a less resolution like 480p or 720p, but they can't bear the audio if it is not good. If the audio has a lot of noise, public can't bear that noise and they will switch over to another video. So audio is the main important factor in a video. In order to attain beautiful and crisp audio, you can edit the audio which is recorded in an application called Audacity and make that audio much better. The meaning of editing an audio is removal of a noise and increasing your bass in your voice or pitch of your voice so that it can be much more audible and much more clear. So let's go to the computer screen and let me show you how to edit the audio in the application called Audacity. First, you need to import the audio by clicking on the import button and selecting the audio track. After importing the audio into the Audacity application, you need to zoom the audio so that you can see clearly audio track, and based upon that we can go ahead and edit the audio. When you're recording the audio, first 5 to 10 seconds don't speak at all so that it can record the noise around you. So that you can select the noise at the starting of the track like this by selecting this part which is noise. So when you get into the Audacity application to edit the audio, you need to select that 5 to 10 seconds noise in the track and click on Effect tab and click on Noise Reduction. Now you can see a window where you get a button called Get Noise Profile. After getting the noise profile, you need to select the entire track and click on Effect and click on Noise Reduction. There you can see the values, so you can play with those values and click on Preview so that you can hear the audio, and if you want to do any modifications you can adjust those values and you can get a proper audio without noise. So then after that you need to click on OK. When you click on OK, it will remove the noise using the noise profile which you captured earlier. After noise is removed from your track, you need to select the entire track and click on Effect tab and then click on Bass Treble option. After clicking on Bass Treble option, you will get a window where you can see the values. These values work out for me and you can adjust those values according to you. By clicking on Preview, you will know exactly how is audio playing so that you can adjust values according to that, and click on OK so that it will increase the bass and treble in your audio track. When the bass and treble step has been done on your audio track, the audio level will be increased a lot. There you need to suppress the audio using normalize option. You need to select the entire audio track and click on Effect and click on Normalize. There you will have a value regarding normalizing the audio track. You need to play with those values so that you can create a decent audio track. By doing these steps in Audacity application, you will get a clean, crisp and beautiful audio track. Here you can listen the audio track which is not edited in Audacity and edited with Audacity so that you can know the difference between both the tracks. Hey guys, welcome to Jash Outline. This video is about how to edit your audio on the application called Audacity. Hey guys, welcome to Jash Outline. This video is about how to edit your audio on the application called Audacity. So that's it guys for this video. If you like this kind of videos, if you want these kind of videos in a particular language called Telugu, you can go ahead and check out my Telugu tech channel which is called Jash Tech Telugu. The links will be given in the description below. Click on that link and check out the channel. If you like the channel, go ahead and do subscribe and check out the content in it. So That's it guys for this video. If you like the video, do hit that like button and subscribe to my channel because much more content coming up. So see you guys in the next video. Until then, chill out and keep rocking.